Hey, this is a quick message just to let you know that this July at English Coaching Projects we have some summer intensive courses. So if you're interested in improving your English a little, or you know anybody else who might be interested, get in touch with Alison and she'll give you all the details. Thanks. Now, on with the weekly English practice. Hey, Kez, can you hear me? Yeah, hey, how you doing? Wait, I'm just calling to make sure that I'm bringing the right things to our meeting, because we're going to record the weekly English practice, yeah? Is it about badminton? No. Is it about fencing? No, it's not about fencing. Okay, so cricket, yeah? Nothing more traditional than cricket. Yeah, okay, nobody understands cricket. So what's it about? Football. I haven't got a football. Oh, hang on a minute. What about this? Would that be okay? It's a ball. I'll bring it anyway. All right? See you in a bit. See you in a moment, okay? All right, Kez.
All right, Rob. How are you this morning?
I'm pretty good, thanks. So the first question for this week's weekly English practice is, football is the most popular sport in the world.
Mm-hmm.
What don't you like about it?
There's nothing I don't like about football, Rob. Ooh, well, actually, there are a few things that I don't like. I don't like players cheating, falling over, crying, trying to pretend that something's happened when it hasn't, and trying to get advantage by unfair means.
So what is fair play then?
Fair play. Good question, Rob. I think it's all about being a gentleman or gentlewoman on the pitch, which means not trying to trick the referee into giving you fouls and things that help your team and hinder the other team. I think it's all about being a good sports person. It's the ball, mate.
Why do male footballers spend so much time crying, acting and rolling around on the ground?
I think they're trying to gain an advantage, Rob, an unfair advantage, and trying to trick the referee, as I said, and possibly even trying to get an advantage by getting an opponent sent off, which is the height of bad sportsmanship. It wouldn't happen in other sports like rugby, so I don't think it should happen in football. When I was growing up, you would always try and stand up and never try and throw yourself on the floor.
Okay, that's an Ireland shirt.
It is an Ireland shirt, absolutely.
So what team are you going to support at this year's World Cup?
That's a very good question. Obviously, Ireland aren't going to be in the World Cup this year. England are. That was where I was born. I do like England, but normally they play horrible football. So I might, as a person living in Spain, I might support Spain. My other team, of course, India, prefer cricket.
Nobody understands cricket.
Nobody understands cricket, Rob. No.
Okay, and who do you think is actually going to win the World Cup?
Good question. Well, they say that football is a game of two halves, 11 against 11, and the Germans always win. So I'm going to go with Spain.